I'm going to use this to drill into some scrap lumber, make some of those plugs, and be able to use those to plug up all the holes that we put screws in. So this is a 3-inch plug cutter. Those are the plugs. I got to make 40 more. It's always a little scary after it was all put together to have to take it all apart again. That's what I got to do to get to some of these edges. We're going to file these plugs down, we're going to glue the pieces together, then reassemble it again with routed edges. Boy, those things really do fly off there. So one of these popped out, so I'm going to have to reuse that one. Now we have a much more finished look that I will now hit with the sander. And the key is to make sure the grain of the plug is running the same direction as the grain of the wood that it's going into, so it matches. First thing I'm going to do is put the seat on, glue it down, plug the holes, sand it smooth before I go with the rest of it. That's permanent now. All the 4 legs are glued together. The 2 halves of the seat are glued together, but the tail and the head have yet to be done. And I actually put the tail in, but it's not glued into place. The tail is just screwed in there to hold this seat in place while it dries overnight. But that gives me a chance to plug the plug holes on this back side. And then tomorrow I'll finish by plugging this hole after this tail is attached.